Hello guys, today I will my introduction to linguistic final test. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Hafiz Abdullah Sinur from Pancasakti University in English Education Program. What is semantic? The study of meaning is called semantic. Semantic is usually concerned with the analysis of the meaning of words, thus or sentences, she connotation, denotation, lexical fields, semantic structure, and semantic will the meaning of structure in discourse. The discourse analysis or the meaning of a whole text. Semantic come from the ancient Greek word semantic and adjective meaning relation, relating to thing based on the nouns semiwan thing in ancient Greek on of the original uses of semiwan was as a medical term from the system that were the thing of underlying essence. What is meaning? In linguistics, what a language expresses about the world we live in or any possible or imaginary world. English uses the verb to means to refer to an relationship involving at one of the diverse types of thing, like the word including people, object, and everything artists of observe and are on means or intersection. Example. Here are 5 typing example or means in English which exemplify some of these relationships. When I said Dublin has lots of questions, I means doubling. I rents, not doubling. Virgin in Sydney that this means the harbor like short means short and fat by turning off the music I did means that you start rest means water. The Semitic real rock casual relation. Casual relation symbol relation of true falsity reference figure the Semitic triangle. Initial concepts lexeme sensi reference denoted denotation connotation composition same also lexical item the smallest unit in the meaning system of a language that can be distinct from other sim simple unit. A example is an abstract units. For example, in the English are implied from such as give, give us, give, given, giving, gave. Word belong to the on lexeme give. Sim, same like soon expression as bar the Peters hampers and thought gave up and with paper in the sense or a government document words HB consist and sign fiction in a distance X Lexem merge a spirits enter or sub entry sensi. The plans words a word or parents lexeme are in the system of relationship with other word in the vocabulary of a language. For example, the English word bed and married have the search relationship of which never married. Difference and revenge. References is the relationship between a word of phrase and a specific object. For example, the word tree refers to the object tree. The different definition, the part of the meaning of word or phrase that relates it to pronoun in the real words or in fractional or possible word. For example, the nation of the English word but is at to like with egg laying was blooded creature with a big connotation. Connotation names those aspect of meaning which do not affect a word's since reference or donation, but which have to do with cons such is emotional for culture in life. A formal is character as a X means its police office and cop, for example, have very diverse connotation but simple similar densitation. Composition the possible that the meaning of semens are made up or composed of the meaning of their constitution, and it is important to note that not all combination of words are needs composition, all especially in Protestant category of North competition parts is Indians. Leave of meaning. The distinction between word meaning and sentence meaning that definition and basic contrast between and mention. Another important contrast is the one between sentence meaning at just describe and others meaning. Thank you.